Michael London. I'm with Rockaway Incorporated. And we're doing a little refurbish on a gate and a fence where it's a fence extension right here. A new gate being put in. And we're tying into the existing one with the transition from 6 foot to 4 foot. The pre-existing fence had a rotted corner post, so to be able to hang the new gate and tie into the existing stuff, we had to put a new 4x4 post in the corner to strengthen everything up. And we're just going down the line right now, finishing the transition and going straight down the yard. So this pre-existing pump house was here, but because of the irrigation hitting it all the time, it started to mold over and rot. So we ripped down the pump house to the frame and built over all of the exterior exactly how it was before. And it's a good way to clean up something and make it look pretty again without too much time or effort put into it. He didn't want to go all the way with the fence and rebuild the whole thing, so he just wanted to fix the critically damaged ones on this gate before he replaces everything. So we did that. We put new pickets in to close off the gate itself, and we built an entire new door, gate, and this wall right here just to sturdy everything up with a lock that goes through. This has a pool in the backyard, so you need a locking gate. Whether you need an entire new fence, fixing a pre-existing one, or just minor repairs, reach out to us and we'll help you out and make it happen.